Hello guys, and welcome to making sure your WordPress website is mobile ready by WA Courses. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check if your WordPress website is mobile ready, and I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can always make sure your WordPress website is mobile ready. Okay, so if you have a website built with WordPress and you want to check if it displays properly on mobile, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So with the introduction out the way, let's get started with the video. So in order to check if your WordPress website is mobile ready, just go over to Appearance and select Customize. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab, and currently the theme we're using is Astra. So I'm just going to open Astra here so you can see. So this is the theme we're currently using. And by default, this theme is a mobile ready theme. So over the customize, in order to check for responsiveness, just come over to this bottom right section, and you're going to see these three icons here. The first one is the desktop icon, which is the desktop view. So the desktop view of this site is responsive, it's good. Next here is the tablet. So if I click on this, it's going to resize the WordPress website so we can check if this is responsive for tablet devices. And as you can see, it's also tablet responsive. If I click on this last one here, we're going to see if it is responsive for mobile. Okay, so as you can see here, it's responsive for mobile. So this theme, specific theme I'm using, Astra, it is a responsive theme, and it's responsive to mobile and tablets. Okay, so if you're using a theme, any theme at all, if you want to check if it is mobile responsive, all you have to do is come over to Customize and use this this feature below here. So in order to make sure your WordPress website is always mobile ready, make sure you only use themes that support mobile. Okay, so if you're using older themes, an old theme or an outdated theme, it might not have this responsive feature by default. Okay, but the good news is all modern themes these days, they are all mobile responsive. So any theme you're installing from the WordPress repo, as long as it's not an old theme, it's always going to be mobile responsive. Okay, so if I activate HTR, for example, I'm just gonna activate HTR. Let's refresh this page and see if HTR is also responsive. Okay, so this is HTR, another theme. Resize, as you can see, it still works really well. So HTR is also mobile responsive. So this is how you check. Another thing you can do apart from using the customizer to make sure your site is mobile ready, you can actually use something called Chrome Devtools. So if you're using Chrome, just right click and click on inspect. Okay, inspect, and it's going to give you this dev window at the right hand side here. So just click on this icon here, this icon, mobile icon. Once you click on this, it's going to help you resize your WordPress website so you can check for different devices. So if you click on this option here, you're going to see iPhone 5, iPhone 6, 7, and 8, different devices and their screen sizes. So for iPhone, if you want to check if your website, your WordPress website is responsive for iPhone X, just select this and it's going to adopt the iPhone X resolution. You can also check for Motorola, Galaxy 5. So, and there's also this responsive mode which allows you to just play around and see, check different breakpoints and see if your site is going to break at any of these points. So this is at 105 x 640, and there's no device that actually displays like this. So I think it's from 300 and above. So you don't really have to worry for smaller sizes, just from 300 to it gets to desktop size. So that's how you check for responsiveness and make sure your site is mobile responsive. After you're done with all these checks, you'll be able to determine if your WordPress website is mobile responsive. So I hope you guys found this specific video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.